Hello students, welcome back to this channel. Now we all know the application forms are out for NALSAR IPM program. Now ये program conduct करवाता है Department of Management Studies known as DOMS. Now we will be knowing about this course, about its structure, everything. And to begin with, let's first discuss the program design. Now to begin with, we all know 3-year BBA, 2-year MBA. When a 3-year BBA में there's a proper map that is being provided, plus there are certain electives also that you can choose while you're doing your BBA, while in your initial 3 years. And what are they? They are from both discipline specific and generic electives. So बहुत ही अच्छे से they have laid down the curriculum. So if you're someone who's from the beginning very much clear, human resources you're calling, go for that. Finance is your calling, go for that. So ये electives है जो आप choose कर सकते हैं during your first 3 years, followed by again MBA. All right, now IPM admissions की अगर बात की जाए तो सबसे पहले eligibility criteria देख लेते हैं for those who are new here. The eligibility criteria is such that whether you are appearing right now you are in your 12th standard or you have completed your 12th standard, you are still eligible. Right now आप अगर 12th पास कर लिए हैं, 60% aggregated marks है general category के लिए required है and 50% for SC and ST candidates in 12th. Only in 12th they are eligible to apply, and also you must have a valid NMAT and IPMAT scorecard. Now you might be confused over here. NALSAR Hyderabad, IPMAT इंदौर की भी scorecard accept करवाते हैं और अपना खुद का entrance test that is NMAT UG भी conduct करवाता है. तो क्या दोनों देने हैं या एक देना है? Well, this is और situation. That means अगर आप IPMAT इंदौर दे रहे हैं तो उसके स्कोर से भी आप एंट्री ले सकते हैं. साथ ही साथ अगर आप एनमैट भी देना चाह रहे हैं तो भी दे सकते हैं. इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी दैट यू हैव टू गिव द एनमैट एग्जाम. यू कैन स्टिल गिव इट इफ यू वांट टू. अदरवाइज आईपीमैट इंदौर के स्कोर कार्ड से भी एडमिशन हो जाएगा. नाउ again candidates appearing for the 10+2 यानी कि 12th appearing candidates as already mentioned can also apply for this. Now there is a certain amount of seats, the reservation for तेलंगाना candidates. और वो क्या है? वो है कि आप जो है तेलंगाना में 4 consecutive years से पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं तो आप एलिजिबल है. साथ ही साथ अगर 7 साल से आप वहां रिसाइड कर रहे हैं, ऑल राइट, एंड completed the qualifying examination इन द स्टेट ऑफ तेलंगाना तो भी आप एलिजिबल है. अगेन प्रॉपर इन्होंने कैटेगरी वाइज भी डिवाइड कर रखा है पूरा टेबल on this website. I'll ensure that this link is attached in the video so you can go and check that out. Now moving ahead, this was about the eligibility criteria. Let's quickly look at the important dates first and then we'll go to the CMAT part. Okay, now these are tentative dates, so the online application forms are out and the last date to fill it is 31st May. So ensure you're filling out your forms if you want to sit for NMAT. Okay, तो ये फॉर्म है, ये विंडो है, एग्जामिनेशन डेट और सब अनाउंस होंगी later on, but the forms are out. Now let's know about the NMAT UG paper. Sample questions भी दिए हैं. Now paper के 2 components हैं, QA VA LR. Okay, now QA का भी syllabus इन्होंने detailed mention कर दिया है and अगेन वापस LR का भी इन्होंने मेंशन कर दिया है. यू कैन गो एंड चेक दैट आउट. वर्बल एबिलिटी एंड लॉजिकल रिलेशंस उनका भी उसने मेंशन कर दिया है. अगेन सैंपल क्वेश्चंस है, सो यू कैन हैव अ लुक as to how the questions are asked in this particular exam. All right, so this was all about the IPM program that is offered by DOMS, that is NALSAR Hyderabad. If you have any doubts, if you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.